Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach the situation with Larry in the Walking Dead game. You'll find yourself in a truly desperate scenario, trapped in a meat locker with limited options. Larry, Lily's father, collapses from a heart attack, forcing you to make a quick and impactful decision. This moment is one of the most intense and memorable in the entire series, highlighting the brutal realities of survival. When Larry suffers his heart attack, Lily immediately tries to save him with cardiopulmonary resuscitation. However, in the harsh reality of the apocalypse, without proper medical equipment or trained professionals, the chances of successful resuscitation are incredibly slim, often less than 10%. The confined space and the looming threat of reanimation add immense pressure to an already tragic event. Kenny, driven by the need to protect everyone, especially his family, quickly concludes that Larry will reanimate. He argues that a 300-pound walker in a small, enclosed space poses an unacceptable risk to the group's survival. Despite Lily's pleas, Kenny takes drastic action, using a large salt lick to deliver a fatal blow, ensuring Larry cannot turn into a threat. Ultimately, Larry's fate is sealed. He cannot be saved in the game. Whether you try to help Lily or side with Kenny, Larry will die. The choice you make primarily affects your relationship with Lily and Kenny and how they perceive your character. This pivotal moment underscores the difficult, often impossible, decisions survivors must make in a world overrun by the undead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.